Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, in the previous lecture we have discussed about the compounds of oxygen, and now in this topic we are going to talk about the occurrence of sulfur. So where does the sulfur exist? So this is what we are going to talk about in this topic. So now let's get started. So friends, talking about the occurrence of sulfur, so sulfur exists in basically combined form also or in a native form also, and this all sulfur are found in the region where there is a volcanic eruption, that is in Japan also, or we could say like Italy and like Texas. So in this region we can find sulfur in more quantity. So talking about sulfur and how does the sulfur exist and how can we obtain sulfur from certain compounds, that is what we are going to talk about in this topic. So now let us understand that is sulfur occurs in a free state as well as combined state. Free state is nothing but the native state, and in combined state sulfur occurs as sulfides as well as sulfates. So let me discuss about those ores from which we can obtain sulfur. So talking about the ores of sulfur where we can obtain sulfur from which, that is, it is sulfide ores and it is sulfate ores. So talking about the sulfide ores, so there are basically various other ores for which I have written the example, and for that we have, that is the first one, that is copper pyrites. So in this case Cu2s is known as a copper pyrite, and here from which we can obtain sulfur in a larger quantity. And talking about the next one, that is iron pyrites, in which basically Fe, that is Fe along with that of sulfur is basically in combined form. And talking about zinc blende, so here it is ZnS. And talking about galena, that is PbS. So here we can obtain the metals also as well as those non-metal like sulfur. So these are the ores, or which are also known as sulfide ores. And talking about the next one, that is sulfate ores. So sulfate ores, that means sulfur can be obtained from gypsum. So talking about gypsum, so gypsum has a molecular formula that is CaSO4.2 moles of H2O. Along with that of we have, that is Epsom. Epsom, for that we have a molecular formula that is MgSO4.7 H2O. Along with that of, that is we have byrite, and that is basically BaSO4. So this is what we can obtain sulfur from, and those were the points related to occurrence and those ores from which we can obtain sulfur. So that's it. So this is what I want to discuss about. So thank you friends for watching this video. I hope you have understood this video very clearly, and I hope you share this video with the friends, and yes, don't forget to subscribe to Ekeeda channel. Thank you so much.